Guys, luto naman ito kak namin guys. Ito na guys, crispy guys. Tukak guys. Yan guys, tukak guys. Tukak yan guys. Crispy yan guys, tukak guys. Sarap yan guys. Andito tugluto guys, andito ang magluluto agad. Yummy guys. Andito guys, nagluto pa sa tukak guys. Yan guys. Hindi pa ng isa rin ha. Pwede ko itong malsa guys. Yum na guys. Tignan mo guys. Maya naman guys.